Um, there's something that I want to talk about regarding the news section. We recently started to get this working again, and I really want to talk about the news, what to really look for, what to stay away from, because it's going to be very important, especially over the next couple months. And what type of news is really going to affect the prices of certain coins and whatnot, and how to use this feature, the news section, to to your advantage. So as you look at certain news, and again, I'm just using CryptoCoin Pro as an example, but this is news on anything. Like, you can go to, there's so many news sites. You can just click on the main site and you can see all these new things that are being uploaded, like 44 minutes ago, 3 hours ago. So you don't even have to use CryptoCoin Pro for this, but I'm just going to be talking about how all these news articles and whatnot really affect the price points and what you should really listen to. Because all these news posts and everything like that are designed to be there to kind of like get your click, to get your attention. But not a lot of these options, not a lot of these news articles will actually affect the price of the coin in any way. And the things that you should really look out for in terms of news articles, if you want to get into a certain coin, or which news articles affect certain coins and cryptocurrencies, or anything like regarding politics. So if a certain coin or Bitcoin or cryptocurrency, if there's a news article out there that has anything to do with politics, right? Or anything to do with regulations and rules regarding either certain cryptocurrencies or regarding, blockchain and cryptocurrency as a whole. I know there was 2016, I believe it was, where there was a news article that came out that had to do with a certain country and Ethereum. I don't remember what that country was. That either was China or Russia, but they actually they started to really get in. There was a really article like this. There was a really pretty cool article like this where it just came up, where it had to do with certain regulations, a political country, and like a certain coin, like Ethereum. And a couple days later, Ethereum blew up and passed $100. Back then it was like less, it was like 40, $50, and then went past $100. So that's one type of example of certain articles to really look out for. What not to look out for is certain, things like this, price analysis, right? People are there's certain news articles out there that they're predicting what the coin's going to go up to, that certain price analysis, when people are predicting what's going to happen to a certain coin, I would completely stay away from that. And that's very important, because all this, we're being fed like a bunch of information, especially when crypto starts going up like it is now. Everyone's going to start writing articles on crypto that are not really experts, just so they can get your click, and just so there's a whole business, right? If they get your click on these news sites, and if you read it, they get paid. That's pretty much the way it works. But I just want to make sure that you guys get the right information and really look at the right stuff, because I would say 90% of the stuff out there is pretty garbage. So what you really need to look out for, again, if there are certain regulations coming across, either cryptocurrency as a whole or certain cryptos. The second thing you need to really look out for is anything regarding a specific cryptocurrency, not price analysis, but anything regarding a cryptocurrency's team, right? Like, for example, if something's going on with the founders or the team, or something happens, and this is not only cryptocurrency coins, but also some exchanges as well, because